Students, welcome to 155th maths class. Let us continue solving some more problems on logarithmic differentiation. So one more question is, so if differentiate, so if y differentiate, so root of x minus 1, x minus 2, so by x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 4 into x minus 5 with respect to x, using logarithms, using logarithms. So students, using logarithms, already we solved a question of this type in the previous class. Solve, you try on your own. It's easy to solve, students. So let us go for solving. Solution. So write, let y equals x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. So whole power 1 by 2, taking log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, log y. So log y is equal to power to paka of into log. So x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. X minus 5. You look at this, students. Log a into b divided by c into d into e. For the numerator factors, you use plus. For the denominator factors, you use minus. So right, students, log y. So log y is equal to half into, so write that, students, log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. So numerator factors over, you come to denominator factors, minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Now you start differentiating, students. Differentiating this now is so easy. Let us differentiate that. So now let us differentiate that. So differentiation of log is 1 by y. Again differentiation of y is dy by dx of use bracket. Constant into function, keep the constant as it is. Differentiation of log x. How much is differentiation of log x? 1 by x. We would have written, we will write 1 by x if it is x. If we have x at this place, we will write 1 by x. But here we are having x minus 1. I should write 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1. After differentiating log, go inside. Differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 1 is 0. 1 minus 0. How much is 1 minus 0, students? 1. Need not to write. I won't carry that. I won't take that. So write plus. So log, differentiation of log is 1 by x minus 2. Again, go inside. X is 1 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 0, not required. Go for next term. Minus 1 by x minus 3. 1 by x minus 3. Again, x is 1, 3 is 0. Go for next. Minus log 1 by x minus 4. 1 by x minus 4. Again, x is 1, 4 is 0. We not to write. Minus 1 by x minus 5. Same thing. You send that y right side students, y by 2. So dy by dx is 1 by 2 into y by 2. Y by 2 into, so y by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. This is dy by dx. You go for substituting. Substitute for y. So dy by dx is 1 by 2 into, what is y students? We have y there. Y means, so root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So into, so right, we carry this as it is 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. So this is required dy by dx. Now let's go for solving one more question students. So differentiate, so right, next question. So differentiate cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So with respect to x, using logarithms, differentiate cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x with respect to x using logarithms. Now let's go for. So this can be differentiated. You can differentiate this without using log also. But here it is asked to differentiate. Here it is asked to find out dy by dx using logarithms. So this is UVW product rule. Keep this differentiate u, keep that VW as it is. Differentiate v, keep that UW as it is. Differentiate w, keep that UV as it is. UVW rule. You learned that in your previous class. But here it is asked to differentiate this function, this given function using logarithms. So let's think of how to apply log for this, right? So y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So log u into v, log a into b into c. What is log a into b into c? Just before I told you, for the numerator factors you use plus, that is log a plus log b plus log c. You use that students, log y is equal to log cos x plus log cos 2x, plus log cos 3x, Now you differentiate. Differentiation of log is 1 by y. So 1 by y. Again y is dy by dx. So come to this. Differentiation of log is log x, 1 by x. If it is x, we write 1 by x. But in the place of x, here we have cos x. You write 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x. Again differentiation of cos x. Log over. After differentiating log, you come to cos. Differentiation of cos is minus sin x plus. Come to the second term students, log. Log is 1 by cos 2x. 1 by cos 2x. Go inside. Go inside. We have cos 2x. Differentiation of cos is minus sin 2x. Still we have inside. Look at this carefully. In this compound function, we have log, cos and 2x. Differentiate all the three functions. So 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Log is 1 by x. Cos is minus sin. Writing only minus sign is meaningless. You should write sin theta. Then now you think of differentiating 2x. 2 into x. Keep the 2 as it is. X is 1. 2. So plus log. Differentiation of log is 1 by cos 3x. 1 by cos 3x. Go inside. Go inside. Inside we have cos. Differentiation of cos is minus sin 3x. Still go inside. 3x. Differentiation of 3x. 3 into 1. It is 3. It is 3. Set that y right side. dy by dx is so y into minus sin by cos tan x plus into minus 2 times sin theta by cos theta tan theta tan 2x plus into minus 3 sin by cos tan 3x. Substitute for y, students. Substitute for y. Therefore so dy by dx is what is y? Cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into so minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. This is required dy by dx, students. This is required dy by dx. Now let's go for solving one more question. Now I explain one more question. Differentiate. So differentiate a power x with respect to x using logarithms. A power x with respect to x using logarithms. Differentiate a power x with respect to x using logarithms. So standard formula, students, we have this known formula. How much is differentiation of a power x? A power x into log a. You should not write the answer directly. Here it is asked to differentiate that given function using log. You should use. Let us see. Let us go for differentiating a power x by using logarithms. By log. Let me see. So whether we get so same answer or not. Let us see whether we get same that answer or not. So let's go for the students. A power x solution. Y equals a power x. Taking log on both sides. Log y is equal to log a power x. Log y is equal to log a power x. Power to pakka. Log y. So x into log a. X into log a. So you can apply UV rule, students. Instead of applying UV rule, you think of constant into function. Log y. A into b is same as b into a. Instead of writing x into log a, I write log a into x because log a is constant. So how do you take the given quantity as constant? How do you decide the given quantity as constant? Very simple. If it does not contain variable, you treat that as constant. No variables means constants, with variables means functions. Right? Keep that log as it is. Log 1 by y. Again y is dy by dx. Constant into function. Write that log a as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Constant into function. Send that y right side. So dy by dx is log a into y. Log a into y. Or y log a. Y log a. Substitute for y. So what is y? A power x. So dy by dx is equal to a power x into log a. A power x into log a. This is 2 mark question, students. So this is 2 mark question. Observe that carefully. So whatever the method is, answer should be same. So right here, one thing. Here I will go for applying UV rule. UV rule. So look at this, students. Log y is equal to log a into x. Let me think. Let us think. So this is u, this is v, and apply that UV rule. Log y, differentiation of log y, 1 by y. Again y is dy by dx. Keep that log a as it is. Log a, differentiation of x is 1 plus. Keep that x as it is. So carefully observe. Keep that x as it is. Differentiation of log a. Log a is constant. How much is differentiation of log a? It is 0. Differentiation of any kind of, any type of constant is 0. Therefore, differentiation of log a must be 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Send that y right side. So dy by dx is y log a. So y log a, or log method. So you can differentiate by using UV rule also, but you should do correctly. Everything should be correct. Observe. Learning the concept and practicing is so important. On practicing, surely we will learn everything. So now let's go for next concept. So this is about your logarithmic differentiation, students. So you practice these questions, so you can attend some questions from this concept in your annual exam. Let us go for next one. Differentiate. So write. So remember the following. Remember the following. First one. So differentiation of e power x is e power x. Because differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. So differentiation of e power of x. Already I explained, students. I am repeating it once again. Differentiation of e power of x is e power of x into differentiation of fx. So next, differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a. So I told you the difference E is constant, A is also constant. E is standard constant, A is general constant. E under standard constant. Standard means known quantity. What is the value of E? 2.718 so on. Standard value. Standard quantity means known quantity. Known value. So if it is standard constant, differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a. So write E whenever the constant is other than E ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ A can be 2, A can be root 2, A can be 3, A can be 4, A can be 5, whatever that A is, you apply this rule. Next, one more. So differentiation of A power fx is A power fx into log A into differentiation of fx. Observe students, so difference between these two. Here we have extra function, extra power. So differentiating that extra power is must. So you practice. On practicing, you will learn everything. I have hopes on that, but keep practicing. Hard work. Now let us solve some problems on this, students. Let us go for solving some problems on this. So differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First one e power minus x. Now let us apply the rules. Just before I told you all the rules. Solution. So you take this as y equals e power minus x. Clearly it is in the form of e power fx. Whenever that e power and a power are seen, ಇದೊಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಪವರು ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪವರನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಪವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಪವರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಪವರನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ y is divided by dx. Differentiation of e power minus x is e power x is e power minus x. Again differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Minus as it is, x is 1. If it is only x, writing this plus 1 not required. Here we are getting minus 1. Writing minus 1 is required. Writing plus 1 not required, but writing minus 1 required. Necessary to write. So this is the answer. So dy by dx is minus e power minus x. Now let us solve one more question. So one more question. Sin log x. Sin log x. X is greater than 0. Need not to worry about extra condition. You think of how to differentiate this. So y equals sin log x. Y equals sin log x. You use a power base angle formula, students. Power. Think of base. Next go for angle. Power base angle. Practice. Differentiation of y is divided by dx. Differentiation of sine. First you differentiate sine. Differentiation of sine is cos log x. Differentiating sine over, go inside. Differentiate this log x. Log x is 1 by x. So 1 by x, that is cos log x by x. So next question, students, let us think of next question. So e power cos x, same type question. Already we differentiated a question of this type, this type of question. So you take that as y. So y equals e power cos x. Differentiate that y, dy by dx. E power fx, e power cos x is e power cos x. Again differentiate cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. This is required dy by dx, students. Let us solve one more question. So write cos inverse e power x. cos inverse e power x. Why? Cos inverse e power x. Differentiate inverse first. Tell me differentiation of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. By the formulas, students, differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. If it is x, we write x square. If it is log x, I should write log x whole square. If it is sin x, I should write sin square x. If it is tan x, I should write tan square x. There we have e power x. I must write e power x whole square. So write dy by dx is, so differentiation of cos inverse is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. X means e power x whole square. X means e power x whole square. Differentiating cos inverse over, go inside, go inside. So inside we have e power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. That's all. We don't have. So we don't have anything other than this. Right? Write this neatly once. So dy by dx is minus e power x by, so root of 1 minus a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. That is a power m into m. A power m into m. So x into 2. X into 2 means 2x. E power 2x. I hope you understood, students. Let us stop this class. So remaining, so I explain in the next class. Thank you, students.